Okay, for most values of t, the one function or the other is going to be 0. Okay? The only okay, yeah. Only values of lambda for which this function is defined is values between 5 and 6, right? Okay? Otherwise, this g of t function, or g of lambda function, is going to be 0, right? So, g of, yeah, I keep wanting to write t because it's my variable. Okay? We have this, okay? This is just then the integral from 5 to 6 of f of t minus lambda. I can do this. T lambda, isn't it? Because between 5 and 6, g is equal to 1. Okay? So we just have this integral. And this is only for t greater than 6. And that doesn't make any sense. Well, yeah, it does. If t has to be greater than 6 to get this whole integral, okay? If t is less than 6, then you just have the integral from 5 to t. Okay? Does that make sense?
I think so, yeah.
Because if t is less than 5, well then g of lambda is 0, right? If it's greater than 6, then you just have, well, g of lambda is just non-zero between 5 and 6, right? So you just have the integral here. And between t equals 5 and t equals 6, g of lambda is equal to 1, right? Or for t greater than 6, well, it's 1 on this interval. So I didn't leave myself room, but I'm going to write it anyway. For t between 5 and 6, it's equal to this. Again, simply because outside the interval from lambda equals 5 to lambda equals 6, g of lambda is 0, right? Okay? Okay, so what's this integral then?